It is hail?
Yeah. Even when I feel.
Hey.
I got to play. No, look what it is.
That's hail. Little piece of hail. That's hail. Hold on, let me see it. Give me another piece of it.
It's free ice.
In Arizona. Let's see it, Preston. Hard.
What are you doing? We know.
All hail. Let me see. It's melting. Ah, because your body heat's so hot. You got to catch it in the air.
Yeah, look at all this hail.
And we can't go play football in this, man.
Why not?
Because I'm freezing already.
Look at this. Not if you put some jeans on and a jacket. See if there's a different part of town that won't